Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to create your own TradingView indicator in 2025. Now, if you are interested in getting the TradingView subscriptions at 80% off discount, you can just check out the link of this page down in the description. You can click on the option of explore offers and take a look at the offers available on all of the TradingView subscriptions. Only 2 days left in this deal, so if you are interested, make sure that you hurry up. Now, first of all, simply launch your ChatGPT in your web browser. Over here, you can either log in into your account or you don't need to log in. Here in this section, you just have to explain exactly what indicator you want ChatGPT to create for you, but it should calculate and mention that you need it in the Pine script version 5. For example, if I type this particular prompt over here, create a Pine script version 5 indicator that plots a 20 EMA, a 50 EMA and gives buy signals on bullish crossovers. If I hit enter, ChatGPT will generate the full Pine script code for you. So here you can just simply copy this code from here, then launch your TradingView in a new tab, log in into your account if you haven't already. Now click on this search icon here on the top and launch the chart in front of you. Now once you are here on the chart, click on the option of Pine Editor in the bottom left hand corner. You can also click on the Indicators tab, then come here in My Script. Then you can click on the option of Create Script and it will also open the Pine Editor in front of you. Now over here, whichever script you are seeing, you just have to remove it. Then you just have to select the row 1 and paste the script which you have just copied from ChatGPT. After that, click on the option of Publish Indicator, then click on the option of Add to Cart. Now click on the option of Save and Add to Cart, and as you can see, it is showing me one problem or one error. So you can take a screenshot of this particular error, then you can come here on ChatGPT. You can attach the files here, basically that screenshot which you have just copied. Now here you can ask ChatGPT to remove this error and give you the Pine script again with the changes. Then you just have to come here and paste the script again, make changes into it, save it, and it will be applicable here on your chart. So this way you can create your own indicator with the help of ChatGPT. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.